Hello, YouTube. Welcome to our webinar today. We have Jeffery, business advisor here in Odoo Hong Kong, and I am Felix Jun, senior marketing officer. And today we are going to have a webinar on how to run a online shop with our Odoo integrated apps. So, Jeffrey, I think we have a lot of leads and clients who want to run their online shop, but they don't know how, right? But Odoo can have a lot of solution that can provide such help to these startup people, companies, right? Yeah.
Yes, I know there's a lot of people would like to start their uh, online shop um, to maybe start a business with some online platform. But
Yeah.
just want you to know that our Odoo, we also have an online e-shop uh, application is available for you to use it. Even it's for free right now. Yes, so you may try it on us. Uh-huh. So today I'm going to show you how to set up an e-commerce shop in our Odoo application. All right.
Okay. So first of all, we are going to
Mm-hmm.
have a short introduction of Odoo, and then jump to the topic of how to run the whole Odoo system with the our apps. And then you guys can drop your questions in our chat box below. If you have any question that we got regarding today's topic, on if you have a little trouble of setting up your database, you can also write us an email and or schedule a demo with Jeffrey if you're interested. So let's jump into it, shall we? Okay. All
All
right.
right. So first of all, I would like to introduce you a little background with our company Odoo. So Odoo is a Belgium-based company. It's a headquarter. We start from 2005, and now we have more than 4.1 million users, and we have 2,500 installed per day. No matter they download it from our community version or just register our online version. Uh-huh. So we have seven offices in the world, and two is coming more. And we are here in Hong Kong for the whole APAC region. And we are actually the largest app store in the world. We have more than 17,000 of application. And what is Odoo all about? Odoo is actually out of the box software, which is one software for every need. As you can see here for today topics, we can see we can use the website, e-shop function, and also maybe online booking for some people who maybe have a consultant firm or service company. Uh-huh. And we also have the blog for them to just blog out the articles to the public. And for the sales function, we have the very powerful CRM, and also the sales and the point of sale system. And for the finance part, we also can easily create the invoice and also the accounting function. And for the operation, we have the inventory, which will be applicable to our topic today, how to also manage and control inventory regarding to the e-commerce part. And also for the manufacturing app and human resources, and also the marketing function, where you can use the EDM to promote your company website, and also a studio for the customization of your website, and also each interface for the applications. Uh-huh. So Odoo is uh, out of the box software, but we also have a large support from the different kind of sector. We have the large enterprise, and also we are favored by the SME business who would like to start using the ERP system with us. So as what we said before, Odoo is a 80/20 basis ERP software, where we actually cover you more than 80% already with very low value, very low cost to achieve your 80% value of your core business. And if you do want to reach your 100% target, then of course maybe you have to pay more for the customization or development for the to coverage 100% of your business needs. Uh-huh. So what's the difference between Odoo and other software? As you can see, some of our clients, they use more than 8 to 14 software just to deliver the work to the customer. And Odoo, since it's out of the box software, we have all-in-one solution. We are compact with all the function that will probably cover your basic needs and deliver your service to your customer. So Odoo is also a customer-centric approach, which are able for you to communicate with your customer and also doing the marketing stuff and customer service. Unlike the traditional ERP software, they're only focusing accounting, maybe uh, the sales and invoicing and stuff. But Odoo is a different software which have the flexibility and usability for you to use with. And today our topic is uh, with the website and e-commerce and etc. application I'm going to show you later on. Uh-huh. So now it's demo time. I'm going to show you how to set up your online website. All right. So I believe maybe you have tried our online SaaS version, or maybe you download the community version with us. So basically, this page, what we call is the first page or the dashboard or the main page. So where you can see all the buttons here is the software that you'll be going to use. So this is very user friendly. So this how does it look like when you are in the tablet mode, and this how does it look like when it's in the cell phone mode. Uh-huh. And for this part, you can see all the you can set up your preference, maybe company profile, etc., etc. All right. So you can go to the setting page. You can insert or put your company information here, or maybe just set the currency and also the logo of your company and so forth. And we have the general setting here. When you press here, you can see uh, all the settings here. But on the left side, you don't need to go to the different application just to set it, but just in one page. You can see how it's integrated together. And first of all, we're going to create a product first. Uh-huh. So for me, I have create a sample product. It's an iPhone 7. And in this page, you can see there's a lot of smart buttons here. For example, if it's connected to the inventory, it will automatically show you the quantity on hands and the forecasting quantity. And you can also see how the products moves. Like for example, is it on the way to the customer or still in the warehouse, and etc. We also can see how many units you sold already to see is it a sellable product, or are you going to keep on purchasing to replenish your stock. Uh-huh. And in this side, you can set, let's go to edit part. You can set it whether it's a consumable product, meaning it's a one-off product made to order or stuff. And for storable product, which is you have the stock in a warehouse. And we can also set it as a service. Maybe it's a cell phone repairing services. And you can set the price and cost here with different unit of measure. Uh-huh. And we also support the different barcode. Uh-huh. So let's say for the variants, we can create variants here. I can set it as a color, so the variant name would be color. Alright, so the value I can set whether the color of it maybe is we call it black. You can set the HTML code for the more precise color basis, black, red, or maybe silver. Uh-huh. So I'll just save this one and I'll make the other attribute maybe memory size. Maybe it's a select function, maybe it's a 200 256 gigabyte version or 512 gigabyte version. Uh-huh. So I will just put the color here just to activate it. Alright, and now we can see how does it look like when it's on the website. So you can see it's automatically generate the variant here. I'll just duplicate this page just for you to see how does it look like. Or maybe you can set for different variant, maybe the color black would be more expensive than the other color. You can also set here with different pricing. Uh-huh. And maybe different stock on hand, maybe how many quantity on hand with this color black or units, you can set it up here. All right. So right now I'll be going to show you how does it look like when it's on the website. So when you press the website dashboard, you can see a lot of function here where we can generate a simply report like how many sales do you have for today, to this week, or whenever different time range. You can set it maybe this month, this year, or maybe this quarter. You can just simply use our very powerful filters here. Uh-huh. So this is basically this is the first page of the of your e-commerce page. You can simply just press the edit. We are now using the very trending drag and drop function. It's very easy to use and very easy to edit your web page. Just a simple click. Maybe my online gadget store, something like that. Uh, if I would like to change the color, maybe I will just simply upload a message. Maybe just upload the iPhone here. Uh, uh, iPhone 7 is alright, something like that. Uh-huh. So maybe you want to choose other picture. Uh-huh. So now let's go to the shop. And you could see we have you can set different categories. Let's say this product I have created a mobile phone, and we do have a fast checkout, or maybe just add it to the shopping cart. We have the wish list and also the comparison function here. So when we press on the product, you can see where I just created with color black, red, and silver, and also you can see the variants. So I'll just let you see how does it uh, synchronize to the system. So maybe I'll just add another color now is maybe blue. So you can see how fast it react. And I'll just simply put the blue and I'll take out the silver. So right now I'll just save it. and I'll refresh our website. So if you do not want to publish this product, maybe it's under maintenance or what, or maybe you're out of stock, you can simply just unpublish it. When you are fixing everything, maybe you can edit the words here. You can simply just do it same as the website. You can simply do the drag and drop. Uh-huh. You can even insert the videos from maybe Dailymotion or maybe YouTube as well. All right, and you can put the specification for the products here, and so all the wordings and maybe pictures. All right, so now I'm going to publish it. So now, as a customer, like for example, as a customer, I'm going to the shop. I will just simply type the domain name, and I'm in the web page. Uh-huh. So for you to see how does it look like, you can simply use this function to preview uh, if they're using the mobile phone to view your product, or maybe they're using a tablet. So this function is really convenient for those people that are would like to use the web page more friendly in the mobile device. So let's say I'm a random customer and we go to the shop. I'm going to purchase this one, so I'll add this to the shopping cart, or maybe I will just go inside because I need to set the stock. With 512, I will add to the cart, but it just wouldn't allow me because it's temporary out of stock. So we can do is we can update the quantity on hand, or maybe we can just set the different availability. For example, uh, sell regardless of inventory, meaning no matter how many stocks you have on hand, you can just keep on selling it, and you can show in how many product on hand, so is to prevent the people who will just buy something that you don't have. And so I will just sell regardless of inventory. I will just open this function for testing. So right now I'm going to refresh it. So let's say I will buy this one, two pieces. I will add to the cart, uh, and I can press continue shipping. Maybe another color, maybe red for 512. I'll add to the cart, and I'm proceed to the checkout now. Uh, we also have the promotion code function for people who are maybe want to do some sales, maybe in fall, winter, or maybe summer sale. And I'm going to show you later on how do we get here. So right now we are going to proceed to checkout. Uh, you can simply just enter everything here with your personal details, maybe your street name, and here, so you can set different ship address later, or maybe same address. Okay, or maybe you can just simply log out, log into your existing database. So Odoo, we have by default we have a default payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, or etc. So we'll try to pay with a credit card, maybe a Visa or American Express. And for other people, maybe they will use bank transfer as well. So I just show you how to pay with the online payment. Alright, since this is only a demo, I did not connect it to my credit card, so maybe I try on PayPal as well. So for this part, the let's say the customer already checked out, and you go back to your web page. Maybe either you can go to your sales page. You can see there's a quotation already created, or maybe can go to the website. I'll just take out the confirm order, and I can have the sales already here. So let's say we have the quotation number, which is the customer Jimmy Alonso. So they said, okay, uh, they are going to confirm. Maybe they are going to pay me by bank transfer, or if they paid online and the payment is confirmed, it will generate the sales order. But now we'll just do a simple manually. So you can use here, we have a chatterbox function. You can maybe uh, use this chatterbox email function to communicate with your customer. Can you please attach the deposit slip for confirmation or something like that? So to Jimmy Alonso. So so Jimmy will be receiving from his email. All right. And then maybe they can just communicate with inside with the chatterbox. And let's say, okay, he have attached it. You can now set a confirmation, and you can see it's automatically triggered the inventory, which you can see there's a delivery button. So let me just press it. So everything is seems alright. You can print it, the delivery slip in PDF format for your courier, and maybe the picking operation for your warehouse. All right. So let's say everything is alright, and I will check the availability and everything seems good. So I will just validate it and I will deliver my product. Alright, so I will just edit it. I will say 2 stock and 1 is here, and I will save it and validate it. So you can see the delivery was done, and I can create an invoice to the customer. All right. So I've created an invoice, and now let's say I'm going to validate it because I've received the money, and I can register the payment. Maybe by cash because or maybe bank because it's a bank transfer. I can put maybe the reference number of this deposit slip and just simply validate it. All right. So I can right now I can send another email to my customer and said you have paid and I have sent you the product, whether you can print it or send it by email. So this how does it look like with the invoice. So there's a notification that it said it's pay. Okay. So this is how's the workflow if you're going to sell your product on with Odoo. It's very easy to use, and for some people maybe they also would like to do some marketing with the web page. So we do have a marketing email campaign here. So maybe we call this summer sale. And you can simply just choose maybe whether by templates or maybe a plain text. So I would like to sell my product here, so I will choose the phone here. So I will just type iPhone 7, and this is iPhone 7 Plus. All right. So maybe with different pricing, you can edit it just like the website. We have the drag and drop function here. Uh-huh. You can also link it to your page, by the way. So maybe this one I will just add a hyperlink for them. When they just press it, they will directly go to the e-commerce page or e-commerce card. Uh-huh. So let's say we just send it now to the recipient group, and you can send it in the contact. So there's an indicator just to tell you how many emails have been successfully sent and received, how many is open and reply and click. So you have everything here to see how successful is your email campaign. Mhm. All right. So is there any questions for now?
Okay, thank you for the presentation about the online shop setup for our audience. So, if you guys have any question regarding today's topic on how to set up your shop, how to do e-commerce stuff with Odoo, you can write your question in the chat box below, or if you're watching a video that we will post in our YouTube channel, you can always send us an email. The email address and the schedule page of with Jeffrey is also in the description box below. So um, yeah, it will be the right time for you guys to ask questions. Okay. So if you guys don't have any question for now, we will stop the webinar and we will see you guys next Wednesday on the other topics of Odoo. Okay. All right. See you guys this Wednesday then.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
Goodbye,
you.
guys.
Bye bye.